Uranus is so funny. It has rings, but it sits like on its axis, so the rings are up and down. And I'm like, why you do that?
This weather today is gloomy as gloomy can get. Like, definitely like sweater and beanie weather. But we live in Austin, so it's not like it's cold. It's more like, cause my hair is a mess and I don't feel like fixing it. Anyways, good morning. Hope you got a good night's sleep. I didn't, but that's okay, because it's a new day and we're happy to be alive. But yeah, markets are gonna open in about 10 minutes. We've been doing this thing where we're like trying to wake up 15 minutes earlier. So now we're getting up at 7:15 because the goal is to start getting up at like 5 so I can go to the gym and everything like that. But I mean, that's a whole nother conversation. Anyways, today it's gonna be a good day. I feel it in my bones. I think we're getting this Garmin trainer. But let's be honest, I don't know. We got like 1 minute until the market opens. I got a question. Am I the only one that gets a little bit nervous before all this starts? Phillips looks like it's doing pretty decent right now. We're still not still not in the clear. So what I'm gonna do is actually log in my stop loss. It's 8:40 a.m. and Phillips just had a break above that resistance. If we can get a close on that 15, feel a lot better. Either way, though, well, if we can close on that 15, I feel a lot better. Also, TXN just broke above resistance. Look at this thing running. Oh, what to do? Hercules. Actually, I know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to get into TXN. That's not the trade we've been looking for. I actually looked it up on the phone, and we can only get 2 shares, which would leave us with $100 of capital. What I'm going to do is wait for Garmin to break above 101.19 or retest the 100 to, let's say, $100.50 mark. If that, we just broke. Garmin just broke above 101.19, so we're going to put a limit order here. Boom. Continue. For 1001.19. Boom. Market hours today only. I think we can get 3 shares. Boom. Just like that, we have now purchased 3 shares of Garmin. Now, to be honest, I'm not really a big fan of how it broke above that resistance. There wasn't a lot of follow through or anything like that, but hey, it's our rules. If we have a candle that closes above the resistance, we set an order to buy at the resistance and, well, at now support, and that's what happened. So we're just following our rules. That, and we believe that Garmin in the long run will play out. We see a lot of investors saying to buy it, but on top of that, with such a bullish day yesterday, I believe that we could get some follow through with that, especially when we break above that resistance. It's now 10 a.m. It's about time where reversal starts to happen, but let me tell you something. We're down about $1 both on Philip Morris and Garmin. But the funny thing is, if we would have gotten to TXN when the alarm got off, we would have basically hit our. It basically would have been a day trade, because we'd be out of it already for a win. That's what happens when you get like emotionally invested into these trades and they don't care what you think. Anyways, Philip Morris, I'm still confident because we are trading above the 200 exponential moving average on the weekly. And Garmin, I mean, we got that strong psychological support. So, fingers crossed, everything works out in our favor. If not, so be it. We live, we learn, we grow, we get better. Enjoying lunchtime now. Or you enjoy your lunchtime now. I can't believe TXN is doing so good. Sorry about that. I had to take a moment to drop those candles off. And I'll say it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 million times. It blows my mind that people buy something Stephanie and I create. Thing like just like a year ago, we were grateful if we sold one candle, and here we are just today. We sold a few pallets worth to an entire store, and last order they sold out in like a week and a half. I'm like fortunate, lucky, blessed. We are so grateful for all of it. So grateful. But yeah, let's see how lucky you are with the stock market so far. Okay. We're not as lucky in the stock market as we are with these candles today. And that's okay, because that's just the world we live in. Sometimes the markets move in our favor, sometimes they don't. And to be honest, we're only down just like three total dollars, so that's about 0.25%. Guys, I'm bad at math. Just about $3 US. Philip Morrison, it's okay. We're finding some support. We're hanging out on the weekly. We're hanging out on the exponential moving average. So we're chilling. We're hanging out. We're enjoying the ride. There'll be a correction. Can't expect to buy the top all the time. And as for Garmin, same thing. We're doing good. I'm not too worried. This is the game, the stock market game. It's filled with ups and downs, rounds and rounds. You never know what to expect. There we go. That is the day, 3 p.m. Markets are closed, and it's a lesson, right? It's like, be careful what you wish for. I asked that it break above resistance, by it I mean Garmin. In all actuality, I got a little impatient. I kept saying, wait for the pullback. So we're down. We got in at 101.19. We're at 100.22. So we're like $1 off with 3 shares. So we're down about $3. Our stop loss is about 99.80-ish. And on the other note, Philip Morris, we're in the green. So yeah, this right here is the reason why I decided to split my shares up equally between the two. And I had this conversation with Stephanie last night when we were talking about how my trading is going and everything like that. And the reason is just simple math, right? So before, it was suggesting that I should trade, let's say, $500 into Philip Morris. Hindsight, I mean, the trades still haven't finished, but in the moment, the math is simple, right? So if we would have kept the trading style, so would have done the full position, the take profits would be about $12, and the stop loss would be about $6. That would mean we have about $200 left over to trade with, which means our take profits on that second position would be $4, and the stop loss would be about $2. If Philip Morris works out, this works out fine, because if we win 12 and we lose the other trade, that's still a $10 profit. But this is where things get weird, and this is where my dilemma was. If it was reversed, if this trade ends up reversed, and let's say Garmin is the winner and Philip Morris is the loser, the math says Philip Morris would win 4. Garmin would lose 6. I would end up losing, even though I won 1 trade, I would still end up losing $2, which is about, I mean, a 60. I'm not even getting into percentages with you guys. Yeah, it's unacceptable. That's why I decided to split my position into 2 about as evenly as possible, around $300 each. This way, if we win 1 trade, we'll win about $6. If we lose, we'll lose about 3. But if we win both trades, we'll end up making about 12. If we lose 1, we end up making about 3. So yeah. So either way, if we win 1, we lose 1, we're still in the green, and that's all that matters. Long-term goals are greater than short-term goals, and all I care about is picking strategies that I believe will be profitable and scalable. So I just wanted to go with the strategy that actually increased the odds of me actually winning. Even though in my heart I believe that Garmin was going to be the winner, the markets today says it's not. But granted, we're still above the psychological support of $100. But yeah, that's why I ended up splitting my shares yesterday. Don't get me wrong, I know you're smart, but math isn't exactly everyone's favorite subject, and I'm honestly not a math teacher, so I don't even know if I explained that right. But yeah, I think this is a good place to leave you guys. I still got I did like a photo shoot the other day, so I got to edit those photos. I got to edit this video. I got to edit another video for Step Prism. Still got to go to the gym, but I want to say thank you for spending time with me today. But in the comments below, let me know what you did on this beautiful rainy day. Well, I don't know if it's rainy for you, but it is rainy for me. What'd you end up doing? How'd you make the most out of today? And while you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe. Oh yeah, stay positive, and don't forget to do amazing things.